Yeah? Got it in your minds? And it really is on that level. So if you ever get a body-centered cubic material, you have to look at it completely different compared to a face-centered cubic. So austenitic stainless steels are what type? So, one requirement of all codes related to welding is the weld shall blend smoothly with the parent metal. It's a mandatory requirement. Also mandatory in all codes and standards is the weld shall have consistent shape and form. So do you remember we talked about the width of the weld and the height of the weld and the profile? They all have to be consistent. They're mandatory requirements. But there's one more that we didn't really talk about. Yes, well that's part of shape and form, yeah? So well done. Symmetry is...
I'm Mark Cousins. I've been a professional welding engineer now for getting on for 30 years. I've also been a training provider for a similar amount of time. In recent years I've seen a huge change in my industry where we've seen developments of new materials, new welding processes and new challenges, which has taken welding technology really to a completely different horizon. As part of that, training is ongoing, and much of the training that we currently offer provides state-of-the-art where things actually are and where the technology is, rather than old technology. So 40 years ago I actually started in this industry, and here we are 40 years on with lots of things that happened in the past. I'm a chartered welding engineer. I've enjoyed 40 years in this industry, and I will continue to provide training and technical expertise for the future. So the current course that we're actually running in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia has a number of attendees from diverse backgrounds. Most are working oil and gas industry, but there's some from other industries that are benefiting from welding technology training. The sort of courses that we are able to offer are grassroots courses, which starts with simple welding technology methodology into very advanced welding engineering subject matter. All are possible with the help and support of our partners, IGS. We hope you're able to join us at some time in the future.